Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sin x to the power of 3. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 3 sin x squared cosine x dx. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. Next, this one we change by u. This one we change by du over number 3. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.